Okay, so it's gonna be another week or so before I can use my finger, get the stitches out. So I've been looking at alternative ways to make music, and I do have this old microphone. And although I'm not a singer, I could run it through some effects and I don't know, maybe make something cool. Far away enough. Oh my god. What the hell? See, this is the... Ooh. So, I don't actually a lot harder to control this when you're kind of enveloped in the sonic thing.